December 28th, 2024, under the flight path at LAX, the legendary in and out plane spotting park, famous for those perfect thunderous overhead shots of jets coming in to land. Today, it's alive with energy. Tourists, locals, kids with burgers in hand, all soaking in the chaos and beauty of this place. I'm here, camera rolling, waiting for my son Mark. He's a Delta pilot flying a Boeing 757 inbound from Boston, the last leg of his extended trip to Portugal. Not sure if he'll touch down on this runway, but that's part of the charm. The holidays are here, the airport is madness, and for now, I'm just enjoying the spectacle. Happy holidays, everyone. Thank you for supporting my channel. See you all in 2025.